Hello, in front of me I've got Mazda CX-30. In this video I'll show you how to set navigation destination in Google Maps. In the beginning, let's go to Google Maps in Android Auto or CarPlay and select Search. Now, select Destination from Recents, Categories, or Search all destinations. Now, you can type it in on your smartphone or screen display. Tap Start, and it's done.
Head northeast.
To stop navigation destination, tap X. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment, and subscribe.